Only 2 people have joined. What about the others? Wait, let me to give the message. Please join the class. Okay, children. How many children? Only 2, no? Wait. Let me to see. Yes, yesterday we have started rational number, right? Who is absent? 7th class, Kritvik, Meghna present, Varsist, Venkat, Anubhav, Abhiraj, and Likhita. Let me to write their name. Wait. Why they are absent? Varsist, Venkat, Anubhav, Abhiraj, and Likhita. Please mention reason for not coming in class. Yes. Yes, children. Okay. I am sharing the screen. Class 7th. So yesterday's homework is done.
Yes, ma'am.
Both of you, it is done. Is there any doubt? Any doubt in yesterday's homework? No? It was simple only, right? Rational number. So, rational number on a number line. It was done, na? Rational number on a number line. What are the rational number? Equivalent rational number, positive and negative rational number on a number line, rational number in standard form. Okay. So, equivalent rational number. All are done, na? Yesterday.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now today we will compare two rational number. Comparison of two rational number. Comparison of, write down, two rational numbers. Comparison of two rational numbers. So children, if I say 1/2 and 1/5, which rational number is larger, more? Which one is greater and which one is smaller? Can you find? In a fraction, I think you might have done this. How to compare two fraction? Which fraction is bigger and which one is smaller?
Ma'am, 1/2 is bigger.
How?
Ma'am, because it takes less space, but 1/5 takes more than a quarter.
Yes? Sorry?
Ma'am, because half take 1/2 only takes little space, ma'am. 1/5 is more than a quarter.
That's good. But here you are comparing with quadrant and half, right? But if I say 1/4 and 1/8, 2/8, oh no. If I say 1/4 and 1/16, which number is greater? If I say compare -2/3, if I say negative number -2/3 and 4/9, which number is more? Which number is larger? You cannot find, right? If I say -2/3 and 4/3, which number is more? So in negative and positive number, if I compare negative and positive number will be more, right? Of course. If I compare one negative and one positive rational number, the positive rational number will be more, larger. But if I compare two positive number, then how would you find which number is larger? So it's simple trick, simplest trick. I'll tell you the trick. See, what you have to do, you just cross multiply. Okay. So 5 into 1 is 5. 2 into 1 is 1. So which number is greater, 1 or 5? 5 is greater, right? So 1/2 is greater than 1/5. Clear, children? If I say -2/3 and -4/5, so cross multiply. -18 and -12. Which number is greater? Meghna?
-12, man.
Yes, -12 is greater. Okay. If I say 1/4 and 2/8, which number is greater? So you just cross multiply. 8 into 1 and 4 into 2, 8. Both are same. What does it means? Both are equivalent. Both are equivalent fraction. Nothing is more or nothing is less. Both are same. Okay. So cross multiplication. What is the trick? Cross multiplication. After cross multiplication, whichever number is greater, that equivalent to that number, equivalent fraction of that number will be larger. Okay. Yes. Clear, children? So it's a very simple. If I say, I'm giving you the question. Which number is larger? 4/9 and 16 by -36. Which number is larger? Find it. If it is done, yes, which one is greater? Kritvik.
-4 pehle.
No, -4 into -36 and 16 into 9 if you cross multiply. So which number is greater? This one or this one? Minus and minus, it would be plus only, right?
This one.
Then 4 6 ja 24. 4 3 ja 12. 144. And 16 9 ja also 144. Both are same, na? Cross multiplication, both are equal means both the number are same.
This one.
Okay. Yes. So I'm giving you one question. Please complete that one. Yes, wait, children. Mm, yes, children. Please solve this question. Hmm. Yes. Yes. Children, please solve. Which one is greater? Abhiraj. Kartik. Yes. Kartik, what we are doing? We are just comparing the rational number, two rational number. Okay.
Okay.
So how would you find which number is greater? So there is simple trick. See, the first question is minus 5 by 7 and 2 by 3. So you have to find which number is greater. You have to use greater, the number which is greater, use the equals this sign in that box. Okay. So how will you find it? It's very simple. We'll do it within a second with some by using this trick. The trick is cross multiplication. So you multiply the cross numbers. Okay. So minus 5 into 3 and 2 into 7. Which number is greater? Minus 15 or 14. Which number is greater? 14 is greater. So the greater sign will be toward 2 by 3. Okay. Just cross multiply and see which number is greater. Equivalent to the corresponding fraction of that number will be greater. Clear? Please complete all the questions. Yes, Meghna, do all the questions and then let me know. Once it is done, please raise your hand, okay? Okay, Meghna, just wait. Kartik, please go fast. Hello? Yes, children done. Okay. So first one is, which one is greater? Meghna.
Ma'am, minus 5 by 7, ma'am.
Minus?
5 by 7.
How it is greater?
Ma'am, 2 by 3,
Negative.
ma'am.
2 by 3, yes. If it is positive or negative, no need to see. Positive numbers are always greater. You
It's
don't even have to. cross multiply. Okay. Next.
Ma'am, this minus.
Wait. Kritvik.
Ma'am, minus 4 by 5.
Minus 4 by 5. Yes. Why? The cross multiplication is minus 28 and minus 25. So which number is greater?
Yes, ma'am, minus 20. Ma'am, it's minus 5 by 7. Minus 5 by 7.
Minus 5 by 7 is greater. Yes. Yes. Kartik.
Okay.
Number is greater.
Ma'am, third one, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, equal, ma'am.
Equal. How?
Ma'am, because 16 into 7 is equal to 112 and also 14 into 8 is also 112.
Yes. So both are equal. Very good. This one, Meghna.
Ma'am, minus 32, ma'am. Minus 8 by 5. Ma'am.
Yes. This one,
Yes, ma'am.
yes. In this number, which one is larger? Kritvik.
Ma'am, fifth bit.
Hmm.
Ma'am, 1 by minus 3.
Yes.
1 by minus 3, ma'am.
1 by minus 3 is larger. Why?
Ma'am, because 1 into 4 is 4 and minus 1 into minus 3 is 3 only.
Ah. So this one is larger. Yes, correct. Minus 1 by 3 and minus 1 by 4. So minus 4 and minus 3. Which one is larger? Minus 3 is larger. No, children. 1 by 3 is, wait. 1 by 3 is 0.33. Minus 1 by 4 is larger. Children, see what we will do. This 1 upon minus 3 can also be written as minus 1 by 3. Okay. And minus 1 by 4 can also be written as 1 by 4. Okay. Cross multiply only the numbers. Don't cross multiply the sign. Okay, children. Cross multiply only numbers. So minus 4 into minus 3. So which number is greater, children?
Minus 3.
So minus 1 by 4 is greater. You don't have to cross multiply the sign. You have to multiply only the numbers. Okay. So whether the negative is in the denominator or numerator, it will be minus 1 by 3 only. Keep the negative in the front side and cross multiply only the numbers, not the sign. Anubhav, what is the time of the class?
Ma'am, I have sent you the reason in WhatsApp.
Okay, please on your webcam.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, please wait
Yes.
for 1 minute.
Anubhav, what we are doing, we are just finding how to compare the rational number. Between two rational number, which one is larger? So how will you do? We'll see it by the trick cross multiplication. Suppose I have two numbers, minus 2 by 7 and minus 3 by 7. So cross multiply the numbers. Okay. So minus 14 and minus 21. We'll get minus 14. Minus 2 into 7. Minus 14 and minus 3 into 7. Minus 21. So between these two, which one is greater? minus 14. In negative, the lesser number is greater, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So minus 14 is greater. So equivalent fraction corresponding to minus 14 is, the corresponding fraction of minus 14 is minus 2 by 7. So minus 2 by 7 is more than minus 3 by 7. Understood, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the same thing you need to apply and solve these all questions. So children, did you understand? Fifth question is very important. What is the fifth question? Yes, children, just wait for a minute. Hmm. Children, just wait for a minute. My this writing pad got hanged. Hmm. Yes. So children, please listen it one more time. These were the questions. Sorry. Hmm. These were the question, right? These were the questions. So you don't have to, in cross multiplication, you don't have to multiply the sign. Sign you have to keep at that place only. Okay. So minus 15 into 14. So minus 15 into 14. Which number is greater? 14 is greater. So this number will be greater. So among these two number, minus 28, minus 25. Which number would be greater? Minus 25. So minus 5 by 7 is greater. Among these two number, see here, don't multiply the sign. If any number is, if there is a negative sign, either in the numerator and denominator, just keep that negative sign in the front. Okay. And you have to cross multiply only numbers. So minus 7 into 16 and minus 14 into 8. Which number is greater? Both are same. You can multiply 16 7 ja 112 and 14 8 ja 112. So both are same. Okay. And here 8 4 ja 32. So minus 32 and 7 5 ja minus 35. Which number is greater? Minus 32. So this number is greater. Okay. Now here, see, for making you confused, they have changed the place of negative. So either the negative is in the denominator, numerator, just keep the negative in the front. Now you compare. Okay. So don't move the negative sign. You just have to cross multiply the numbers. Okay. So 4 into 1 is 4, 3 into 1 is minus 3. So which number is more greater? Minus 3 is greater. So this number is greater than this one. Okay. So now children, this one, just keep this negative sign in the front, and here also negative sign will come in the front. Both are same. No need to multiply. Even by seeing this fraction only, we can say both are same. Correct? Got it? Is it clear to everyone? How to find the greater number among two?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Very good. Very good, children. Yes. So this is called comparison of two rational number. Okay. Comparison of two rational number. Now we will see Now we will see how to write the rational number between two rational numbers. Okay. So please note down the next heading, the rational number between two rational numbers. Rational number between two rational numbers. Yes, children. Please note down. Wait for 1 minute. My screen got hang. Yes. So write down next heading, rational number between B dash W. It is the shortcut of between. Okay. Between two rational number. Between two rational numbers. Okay. How will you write the rational number between two rational number? So it is also very easy. If I say 2 and 5, write the number between 2 and 5. So how will you write? 3, 4 are the number between 2 and 5. Okay. So same way, if I say 1 by 2 and 1 by 5 are the two rational numbers, how will you find the rational number between these two? Okay. Between these two. So which number is greater between 1 by 2 and 1 by 5? Which number is greater?
5, ma'am.
Yes?
1 by 5, ma'am.
Yes. So 1 by 5 and 1 by 2. Write the number between 1 by 5 and 1 by 2. So children, it is very easy. See, multiply and divide. You just have to make the denominator same. You just have to make the denominator same. So how would you make the denominator same? By taking the LCM. What is the LCM of 5 and 2? It is 10. Okay. So how would you make this denominator 10? By multiplying and divide with 2. How will you make this denominator as 10? By multiplying and divide with 5. Okay. So now rewrite. The first number would be 2 by 10 and the second number changes to 5 by 10. Okay. Now the denominator is same. You can write the number between these two numerator. Only just change the numerator. Okay. So 3 by 10, 4 by 10. These are the rational number between these two rational number. Isn't it? Yes, Meghna, any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Isn't it? Did you understand? So what is the process? You have to make denominator equal. Please note it down. Make the denominator equal by taking LCM. By taking LCM. Okay. So after taking LCM, the denominator must be same as the LCM. So you just have to think, how can you make 1 by 5, the 5 denominator as 10 by multiplying with 2. So you are not allowed to multiply with only 5 with 2. You have to multiply both sides, numerator as well as denominator. Okay. So this number will changes to 2 by 10. And when you multiply 1 by 2, so this 2 denominator, how will you convert in 10? By multiplying 5. So it will changes to 5 by 10. Now the denominator is same. Just see the numerator and write the number between these two numerator. Understood, children? Anubhav, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So now I'm giving you the question. So we can write, it is not possible. See, there will exist infinite numbers between these two rational number. If I say, if I would have given, write down the 5 rational number between 1 by 5 and between 1 by 5 and 1 by 2. Write the 5 rational number. Here you have written only 2. How would you write the 5 rational number? Even if I say write the 10 rational number, 15 rational number, 50, 100, 1000, 2000, write the 2000 rational number between 1 by 5 and 1 by 2. Can you write it? Can you imagine? No? We can write infinite numbers between the two given rational numbers. Between two rational numbers, there would exist infinite number of rational numbers. Okay. See, do you know between 0 to 1, there are infinite numbers. Do you know it? 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.001, 0.0000002, 0.00003, 0.00004. Okay. So same way, between two rational number, there would exist infinite number of rational number. Okay. So how will you write? So first method is LCM. Take the LCM of, make the denominator same. Take the LCM of 5 and 2. 5 and 2 LCM is 10. So we have to make the denominator same as LCM. How would you make this as 10? By multiplying 2 to both sides. How will you make this as 10? By multiplying 5 both sides. Okay. So this number has been changes to 10, 2 by 10. This number is changes to 2 by 5 by 10. Okay. So now between 2 by 10 and 5 by 10, denominator is same. Just change the numerator. Okay. Write the numerator value between these two numbers. So 3 by 10, 4 by 10. But I have written only 2. Now they are saying write the 5 rational number. Then how would you write? Then we have to do one more thing. See, now multiply and divide with one more number. If I say write the 5 rational number between these two, then you need to multiply with 6. The number more than one more than the given, the required rational number. Okay. I have to write the 5 rational number, so I'll multiply and divide with 6. Suppose if I have to find 6 rational number, then I need to multiply both sides with 7. Okay. So now this is 12 by 60 and this is 30 by 60. So 12 by 60 and 30 by 60. Denominator is same. Can you write the middle number between these two? 13 by 60, 14 by 60, 15 by 60, right? Like this. Even more than 6. They would be more than 6. Please note, please write the numbers between 12 by 60 and 30 by 60. 12 by 60 and 30 by 60. Denominator is same. So 30 by 13 by 16, 14 by 16, 15 by 60, 16 by 16, 17 by 16, 60. You can write up to 30. Okay. So if they ask only 5, you can write any 5 number of your choice. Correct, children? Okay. Is it okay? Okay. So now, children, if I say, write down the rational number between minus 5 by 3, 5 rational number between minus 5 by 3 and 8 by 7. 5 rational number. Write down the 5 rational number between minus 5 by 3 and minus 8 by 7. Is it written? Please note this. Note down this, children. Please note it down. Rational number between two rational number. So what is the method? Make the denominator equal by taking LCM. Okay. And children, if I say find the 5 number or 6 number, it is not necessary to multiply the 6. You can multiply or divide with any number if you have to find the more numbers between the two given numbers. Okay. Yes. Find the 5 rational number between these two. First find what is the LCM of 3 and 7?
21.
21. So how would you make this denominator as 21? By multiplying and divide with 7. How would you make this 8 by 7, 7 as 21? By multiplying and divide with 3. Okay. So now this fraction is changes to 35 by 21 and this fraction has been changes to 24 by 21. So can you write the number between denominator is same? Can you write the number between these? This is minus 35 and this is minus 24. Can you write the middle number between minus 35 and minus 24? You have to go from minus 35 to minus 24. So on the number line, which number would come between these two numbers? So minus 34 by 21, minus 33 by 21, minus 32 by 21, minus 31 by 21, minus 31 by 21, minus 29 by 21, minus 28 by 21, minus 27 by 21, minus 26 by 21, minus 25 by 21. Next would be minus 24 by 21. So this is our last number. So these are the middle number. So how many number can be written? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So they have asked only 5 numbers. So write any 5. Understood, children? Understood? Okay,
Yes,
please
ma'am.
note it down. Please note it down. Anubhav, written? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. Okay. Meghna written?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Kartik?
And
Done? Very good. Yes. It is done, na? Next is? Yes. What is the time now? Okay. One more question, children. Please write down the 5 rational number between these two. Yes, all of you do it.
Ma'am, how many we have to write?
5.
Ma'am, done.
Done? Wait. Just wait.
Ma'am, done.
Done? Very good. Wait. So children, I have shared 3 paper, 3 sheets in your WhatsApp. Okay. So please complete all the 3 sheet as a homework and test. That homework is, this is a homework test. Complete all the questions, write it in your notebook and send me the photo. Okay. Send me the photos. Okay. How will you do this question? 4 by 5. What is the LCM?
Ma'am, 15.
LCM is
15. ma'am.
15. So how will you make this as 15? By multiplying with 3. How will you make this number as 15? Denominator 15. You have to make only denominator equal to 15, not the numerator. So how will you make this denominator 15? By multiplying 5. So minus 12 by 15 and this is minus 10 by 15. Yes. So
Ma'am,
can you write?
Ma'am, we have to multiply with 6. Because
You may multiply with any number. See, here denominator is same. Between minus 12 and minus 10, only minus 11 will come. So in this way, I can write only one number, but I have to write 5 numbers. Okay. So to write more numbers, you need to multiply and divide with the one more number. Okay. So you can divide with any number. Let's say if I divide with 6, 6, or you can divide with 7, 7, 4, 4, 2, 2, 3, 3, any number you can divide. Okay. So 12, 6, you can divide with 2. Better to divide with the smaller number. Okay. So minus 24 divided by 30, and this is minus 20 divided by 30. So between minus 24 and 20, how many number will exist? Only 3. Okay. So 2 will not work. 2 will not work. So now we need to multiply this with a bigger number. Okay. So let's multiply with 3, 3. So if we multiply 3, 3, I'll get minus 36 by 45 minus 30 by 45. Yes. Now I can multiply the number. There will be 5 number between these two. I can write the 5 number between minus 36 and minus 30. Minus 35, minus 34, minus 33, minus 32, minus 31. Divided by 45, numerator will be same for all.
Ma'am, I multiply with 6, not 3.
You can multiply with 6, 7, any bigger number. Okay. You can multiply with 5, you can multiply with 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the easier, shall I tell you the easier method? Multiply with 10, 10 both side. It would be very easy. Multiply both side 10, 10. Okay. So the number would be minus 120 by 150, and this is minus 100 by 150. So between these two, you can write 20 numbers. Minus 119. How will you go? How will you write? Minus 118. You have to reach up to minus 100. Minus 117, minus 116, minus 115, minus 114. Divided by same denominator. Understood, children? So in these questions, everyone have different answer. Everyone will have different answer. Okay, so whichever is convenient, you can multiply and divide with that number. But in the first step, you need to multiply and divide with the according to the LCM. But in the second step, you can multiply to write the more numbers between these two. You can multiply or divide with any numbers. Okay. It would be easier to multiply with 10, 10 both the side. So someone can multiply with 10, 10. Some other one can multiply with 6, 6. You can multiply with 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9. Any number. Understood, children? So everyone will have different answer. Clear, children? Any doubt? Is there any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No? Yes. So Karthik, tell me the steps. What we have done, how to find the number between two rational number.
We need to find the LCM of the two numbers, ma'am. Ma'am, then if we need 5, ma'am, we need to, like, if we need 5 rational numbers, ma'am, then we should multiply it by like 6 or 7, like that, ma'am. And
You can
write
multiply with any bigger number and find the, first you have to make the denominator same. Okay. If it is fraction or a rational number, you need to make their denominator same. Then only you can write the middle number between the two rational number. Okay. And if you cannot write the, after making the denominator same, if you cannot write the required given numbers, then you need to multiply it with some number so that we can get the more numbers between the two given number. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Anubhav, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So children, homework has been already posted. Please go through it and complete that before 2 p.m. Before tomorrow's 2 p.m. Okay. And send me the photos. And Monday I will evaluate. We will evaluate it and we will check. Okay. Bye everyone. Bye.